What the dog doing?
Let's get ready to rumble!
This is the New York session stream, taking us part of our Road to Funded series. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you get anything of value. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell because we are live every weekday, Monday to Friday, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. That's 12:30 p.m. West African time. With that being said, let's get into it. All right. Good morning, y'all. And make sure I'm not muted like yesterday. All right, cool. Good morning. How's everybody doing? Hope you guys had a good rest of the trading day yesterday. Is today Tuesday or Wednesday? Today's Wednesday, right? Yeah, today is Wednesday. Okay. All right. Hump day, halfway done through the week. Hopefully it's been a good week, productive week for y'all. Yeah, man. Let's get into these charts, right? So after yesterday, I didn't really take any more positions. All right. I know we were looking for, these sales ended up not, continuing on GJ, right? So we only had the temporary pullback for that bottom wick, and then we continue pushing back up on GJ. Gold as well. We were looking for these sales for a while, right? But we never got the clean closure below, right? Never got this to set up, so that just ended up, filling the rest of this range to the downside. Didn't really give us an entry, but yeah, man. All right. Let's see what the charts are saying for today, though. All right, starting off with GJ here on the monthly. GJ on the monthly. All right, so we have been pushing down here, right? Just like we said yesterday as well, we have been pushing down. At this point, we're trying to see if we are gonna flip bullish on this candle, right? To mimic these times in the past where prices close respecting this level over at 190.5, right? Because like, see here, we respected this 190.5, we continue pushing up from there, right? Respected, continue pushing up, respected, continue pushing up, respected, continue pushing up. So almost every time that you've closed bearish respecting this level, your next monthly closure has been a bullish candle, right? So if the same thing is gonna happen here now, right? Now that you respected this level again, close bearish. If the same thing is gonna happen here, we're expecting the current candle to flip at some point, right? Where exactly we're gonna flip, or where we're gonna find that support area to sort of bounce off of and flip, we're not sure, right? We might have already tapped into that level with this tap to 183.97. right? And price has driven up from that area in the past, as you can see here, right there. All right, so it coincides well, right? So around that 183.9, 184 level, right? We have tapped into that level. So if we are going to start pushing up here, it's very possible. All right, it's very possible, because you see, you sort of have the same thing here, right? This tapped into this level, and then we continue pushing up from there. So we might see the exact same thing happen here. We'll see what the lower time frames looks like, and if we are anticipating that we are gonna flip on this monthly, we might be able to start taking some sales to the top side, right? So yeah, onto the weekly. So the weekly closed, so we closed respecting that monthly level, right? We close respecting that monthly level. Is this a level on the weekly as well? Yeah, you could argue that, right? Because you do have this right here, right? You do have this resistance level over here. So yeah, this is still a good level on the weekly as well, right? So we're bouncing off of that level. So now it's just a matter of if we're gonna start pushing up here for the flip, right? The flip of the monthly is up there, so those are our targets, right? So if we are gonna start pushing up here for the flip, we're gonna start driving up here, right? Yeah, I mean, even if you're gonna continue pushing down here, still coming up for this flip makes sense, right? Because I mean, if you don't grab liquidity here and then drive down, right? So you have another level right here, right? Potential level of rejection over here. If you come all the way over here, tap this level, you don't reject, you're gonna continue to push to the top of this towards 192, right? Which is also the flip of the monthly, right? Which, you know, which is something that could be playing out here. So if we do end up flipping on the monthly, I mean, we might not drive. I mean, we have 12 days left for the month. I mean, yeah, I mean, we might not drive, but you know, we'll flip bullish, but that doesn't necessarily mean we're gonna start driving up, right? But yeah, we'll see. We will see. But yeah, I mean, that is, we do have this next resistance level here to worry about on the weekly. So we'll see what happens once we tap into 188.35 here. I mean, now that you've come up all this way, I do think you're gonna tap into this level. I don't see why you wouldn't, but we'll see. We will see. We're actually currently at a resistance too. Yeah, we are at a resistance as well on the weekly right there. Okay. Yeah, so actually this is a pretty significant level. Actually, you could actually extend it up to look. Yeah. I'm thinking about extending that up, so like to over here, but you know, nah, I think this is good as it is, right? This is good where it is. Yeah, so well, let's see what happens. Let us see what happens here. Let's see what happens. I mean, I do think though, I mean, you're already up here, so I mean, okay, actually you are also tapping 187.26 here, which is also a level, right? This is also a level right here, so we might not actually tap into 188.58 if we don't want to, right? Or if we don't need to. We could just start rejecting from this level that we're currently at, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, the daily now. On to the daily. So the daily is currently at a level, all right? So this is the weekly level, right? I mean, it's also a level on the daily, so that's good. All right, it's also a level on the daily, and we're currently at that level. Did we close above or below? We closed respecting. Okay. All right, so we closed respecting most recent we closed above most recent resistance, right? Which is this right here. But we sort of closed respecting this overall level, right? Which also coincides with the weekly level and all that. I'm gonna actually move this up a bit right there. Yeah, so I mean, at this point, I mean, you closed out of support, or sorry, you closed out of resistance. First thing you did came down. First thing you did is came down to create that bottom wick. I do think we're gonna continue pushing up here. All right, I do think we're gonna continue pushing up, whether it's a temporary push up to just grab a top wick, then come back down. I couldn't tell you, right? But I do think we're gonna push up here though. We'll see. We'll see. Let me just move this level over here. Okay. Yeah, we got some pretty tight levels here, huh? We got this level here. Okay, boom. All right, let's see what happens. So this is weekly level, right? Okay, let me actually leave that there. 188.64. So that would be up there. Yeah, why not? Yeah. Sure. Okay. All right, let's see what happens here. But the fact that we created this bottom wick first after closing at this resistance level, I do think we might see something like this, right? We might see that steeper top wick first, right? And then we reject eventually, right? Or we might continue pushing up, who knows? But at this point, with the way this is forming, or with the way this formed, I think we will see, I mean, unless this came down with no top wick and then we just came up for a top wick right now. But if we had a top wick before we made this push down, I think now we're gonna see price go beyond here though. But we will see. But the daily did close bullish though. Bullish respecting, but bullish. So with that being said, let me see where our 4-hour levels lie. So looking at a level here. All right, another level. Yeah, level here. This is support. Oh, that's the daily support. Okay. Okie dokie. Yeah, the 4-hour is not. Let me see. Yeah, I'm not sure where the best place to put this would be. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it there for now. All right, I'm gonna just leave that there for now. Okay. Yeah, a little slow with the levels here, but you know, we just waking up. Let's see. I mean, yeah, so keep this here just to recognize it. My ranges are a little tight here. But you know, gotta take everything into consideration, right? Yeah, maybe have my level up here. Okay, yeah, I'm cool with this. Yeah, so let's see here. I mean, we're flipping bullish, right? We're flipping bullish on that daily now, right? 4-hour is sort of pushing up here. If the 4-hour closes inside this range, then for sure, of course, we're gonna look for the buys to fill the rest of this range up. We'll see how the 1-hour wants to close in a bit here as well. We're gonna see how the 1-hour is looking to close in a bit, and yeah, we'll move from there, huh? Yeah, this 4-hour level is actually pretty decent on the daily as well, right? We got that daily level right there. Okay, all right, moving on to the hourly now. Moving on up. Okay, that's your hourly level there. All right, it's the 4 there. Okay, so same level on the 4-hour here for the sells. All right, so range 2 sells, of course, something around here, and then range 1 buys. That's what I am currently interested in. Yeah, cool. All right, man, that's pretty much it. That is pretty much it. Okay, put these in order, and I think that's pretty much it, y'all. Yeah, so those are our levels. Let's see how price forms around these levels now. Let's see how price is gonna form here. Got a whole bunch of levels here, huh? Interesting. And yeah, we'll put, yeah, see. All right, cool. Let's see what I'm going, y'all. Let's see what I'm going. Let's see what I'm going. The hourly closure in about 15 minutes. Let's see what that does, if that does anything, and we move from there. Yeah, the more I look at this, the more I see a reason to push this level higher. So actually, yeah, I'm gonna just put that right there. There you go. Put that right there. Okay, boom. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let us see what happens. This 4-hour level is that, yeah, that coincides nicely on the hourly. So if we are gonna start pushing up here, we might just see 188 get tapped. We might see 188 get tapped. But we'll see. We'll see. Let's see how price moves. Yeah, I mean, I would prefer the 4-hour closer, right? But hey, if we get it, we get it. If not, c'est la vie. The 15-minute just closed, nothing too noteworthy in that closure, right? We're sort of playing around these areas where, I mean, you don't really want to be playing around here because price could just start tanking at any point. At any moment, you could just see price start to tank. Trust me. I know GJ. I know GJ. I mean, so range 1 would be this, range 2 technically that, but then you have all of these levels. Yeah, I guess we have to stay here, huh? Yeah. So I have to. Yeah, I mean, the ranges are a little wide here, but hey, that's where the levels are. That's where we gotta draw them, huh? We draw them where they lie, so to speak. We draw them where they lie. Okay, man. Hey, man. Okay, man. Let's see what happens, huh? Let's see what happens. I mean, it's not a bad range. It's about a 40 pip range. It's not terrible. That's not terrible range wise. But yeah, man, let's see what happens with that one. Oh, look at gold. All right, let's do something on gold here real quick. So gold, monthly bullish, easy. Weekly bullish, easy. Daily. So previous daily closed bearish. Whether we close respecting the support, I mean, we don't really know here, at least on the daily, right? This hasn't really formed. It hasn't really formed, you know, support per se on the daily. So we'll see. We are driving up though, but previous daily closed bearish. Keep that in mind. Yeah, 4-hour level. So previous 4-hour closed. So it looks like it just formed a support on the 4, all right, which would be over here. So if this 4-hour candle closure ends up being bullish, that confirms this as a support level now, all right? So we'll see. We'll see if we continue to drive up here or if we flip at some point. All right, boom. That's the 4. Okay, let's see what that is on the hourly. So on the hourly, we have a level here. All right, takes us into that range over there. All right, boom. Carries us into this range. Top of this range is up here. Okay. In terms of sells, I mean, 4-hour did close bearish, or the daily did close bearish, right? the daily did close bearish, so at any point here you could flip and start driving down. That's a fact. You could flip and start to drive down. Yeah, but I mean, we'll see, because this could just be a top week to drive us down, right? This definitely could just be a top week to drive us down. In terms of where we would expect to come up for a top week, I mean, we just hit one of those areas, right? So this level right here is one of the levels you would expect to see a top wick at. All right, so potential rejection areas, as we like to say. Yeah, but yeah, in terms of the sells, I mean, I'd really like to see this 4-hour flip first before we even consider any sells. All right, so that would be closure below there. That might be a long time though, but we'll see. We will see. Yeah, because this actually closed above. So yeah, that previous hourly closed above. So yeah, sales don't come at the very least until we close below here, I would say. Yeah, good closure below there, then sure, maybe. But for now, looks like we're in with the buys, huh? Looks like we're in with the buys. Instrument for 27 minutes, aye? Yeah? Aji, one like Angelo. GJ in it. You're in for what? You're in for buys or what? Oh, hey, oh. Buys on gold, yeah. I rate the buys. But yeah, man, these are our levels. Let's see. Yeah, let's put the 30 somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere there. All right, man, let's see what happens. This hourly candle is about to close, so let's see what happens with this candle closure. Swing trading model. Nice one. Good shit. I got no advice for swing trading, but buys on gold and GJ are legitimate. I rate those. I just don't have entries for them yet. Yeah, for sure. We show 30, 15. Yeah, so let's see how this hourly closes on gold. The safest bet here for a position would be closure above on the 4 or closure below, so you can really know what's going on. But you know, if this hourly manages to close above, we could have some early buys here, but I don't think we're going to, but we'll see. A lot can happen on gold. Yeah, GJ is actually moving too. GJ is actually moving as well. Only 2 pairs I got signals on today. Nice. Nice one, man. So what are your TPs for the trade, for the swing trade? What's your TP saying? Yeah, so we're pushing up on GJ. Let me see. Do we have news today or no? Let's see. So we got building permits at 8:30. Oh, we got Fed. We got Fed rates at 2. Oh, today FOMC? Word? Okay. I didn't know today was FOMC. All right, so it's FOMC Wednesday. I close when I get an exit signal. Yeah, what criteria sets up an exit signal though? Like a level on the weekly or something, or the monthly? Okay, so today is FOMC. I did not know that. It's FOMC Wednesday, so some people are gonna either quintuple their accounts or lose 5 accounts today. So it's gonna be an interesting day. The afternoon is gonna be very active. Things are gonna be active in the afternoon. Okay. Oh man, I'm active. Banjo, fahinge. Banjo, fahinge. Bemi de beo, bemi de beo. Too sure, my de beo. Too sure, my de beo. Essentially the opposite of my expectations, regardless of the quantity in terms of what? Essentially the opposite of my entry signals? Fuck does that mean? What you talking about, Willis? What you mean the opposite of your entry signals, huh? Okay, we're driving up on GJ here. Okay, so like we said in the morning, right? This daily, with the way this daily formed, we're most likely gonna push past this level here, right? This recent level, and the next rejection area we're looking at is 187.9, right? That's minimum. So yeah, the fact you close respecting that support, this resistance here, then you came down, right? Create that bottom wick first, and then you're pushing up. Yeah, we should see 187.936 minimum get tapped, which is the top of the 4-hour level as well, right? Which is this hourly level as well. So yeah, I mean, if we can get involved here, that would not be bad. That would not be bad if we can get involved here, but we're gonna need that closure above. Yeah, we're gonna need that clean closure above, because the price to pay if we end up rejecting this level here is a steep one. It's a pretty steep one. So let's see. I have conditions to enter for simplification. Let's say it's about an RSI. An exit signal would then be either an RSI below 50. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. At least it's good to know your criteria, no? Well, you have to know your criteria. It's not just good to know, you have to know your criteria. Yeah, it's this fucking technical meter we have here. This price action meter that TradingView offers is some bullshit. Shit says sells. Come on, dog. Actually not. It actually might be correct, because overall we are still bearish, right? We are still looking to continue pushing down. We're just trying to play the top wick here at this point. yeah, I mean, mark my words or not, but I do think 187.92 minimum is gonna get tapped here. Right, I don't see why we wouldn't. With the way this daily closed and with the way it's formed, I don't see why we wouldn't. But hey, I could be wrong, and the market, you know, market does what it wants at the end of the day. But yeah, we're about to close on this hourly. All right, we're gonna close above most recent. We are gonna close above most recent resistance here. So yeah, if this coincided with this 4-hour closure, if the 4-hour was closing right now, this would be perfect, right? I'd be in there every day. I take those buys every day, but right now, yeah, so we just closed right there. Yeah, unfortunately, can't really do much with that. Oh my goodness, I forgot to check something. God damn. Okay, my fault, y'all. Give me 1 sec. Give me 1 sec. I forgot to check something important. Oh my goodness. Ellie is Ay Baba. Damn. Give me 1 second, y'all. Ay Baba. Give me let me just say what will I get stopped in small profit? Hey, profit is profit, my boy. Using 30 minutes. Yeah, I mean, if the news is in your favor, you might just push all the way to TPs, or you know what I mean. Never know. So yeah, gold, nothing yet on gold with this. I mean, this hourly closure, again, we're closing above this most recent right here, all right, but not above this overall. So we're just gonna keep that open for now. Yeah, probably not getting anything on gold until 8:30, until news drops. In terms of GJ, again, we closed above most recent, right? We closed above most recent right here, but you know, we sort of have let me see. Yeah, close above most recent, but you still have this level right here to worry about, 187.5. So yeah, this one we're gonna wait as well, see the 30-minute closure. So most likely we're waiting for news here as well. So yeah, man. Hey, always better to you know, to close at BE than with a loss, innit? Always better. I got a bunch of emails, man. I ain't checked my emails yesterday or today, or I just did anyways. Oh my goodness. That's why I just forced myself to do it. Yeah, man. Don't let the psychology take over. You know what I mean? That's how we get. That's how we get into the holes. Okay, that's that one. Let me see. My fault, yo. I'm still here. I'm just I just gotta write some emails real quick. Okay, that makes sense. Damn. Today Thursday? No, today's Wednesday. Okay, yeah, they help me out. I gotta help them out, innit? So what's up? Circle of life and that. Cool. All right, we back. My fault, y'all. Got a dip. Alright, broski. This man is a big time hacker now, man. Big time hacker. We need one of those in the team, you know, to hack the satellites and all that. You know what I mean? Allegedly. All right, we got GJ pushing up here. I mean, how many pips is this range? Hey, it's not terrible, is it? It's not terrible, man, but yeah, I'm gonna just stay out of it. Yeah, you could have played this range potentially, right? This range we could have played. I didn't realize this was that much. It's 17 pips. I mean, you could have played that, you know. Yeah, I mean, even if you're gonna drive down here, you're gonna tap into that resistance, right? Minimum, right? That's the minimum resistance you're gonna tap into. So I mean, that's pretty much done with. So woulda, coulda, shoulda. So now we just want to see if we can close above 187.58, 187.6 here. Yeah, we're still driving up. Damn, that's interesting. You know, that's suspicious. That's suspicious. Yeah, let's see what happens here. 5 minutes left for this 15 closer. If we close above this level, I mean, I'm tempted to take it, but nah, I'm not gonna take it. I'm gonna take it though. Yeah, really, you want to see. Yeah, I mean, I don't think I would have taken this one regardless. I probably need a steeper bottom wick to have taken this. All right, I mean, yeah, here you don't have that much of a steeper wick here, but at the very least, you want to tap into those levels, right? Yeah, we'll see. We will see. We will see. It's now a name. It's the name of the game is patience. The name of the game is patience. Patience is key. Patience is key. All right, so let me clear this up as well. We have not taken any trades today. So yesterday's trade was pretty nice, no? That was a pretty decent trade. Not gonna lie, I think we sort of lucked out with where we took our where we closed our position. All right, and we sort of lucked out there because originally I wasn't looking. I didn't see a level there, right? I didn't originally see a level there, but because we were so keen on the on how we were gonna manage, right? We were basically going on a 1 minute time frame, right? Every single minute closure, we would sort of look at, you know, what levels we were reacting to. If we weren't doing that, then for sure I would have gotten, well, I don't think I'd have let price come back to BE, but would have closed for a lot less than we did. All right, value, what's it, monetary wise, pip wise, would have been a lot smaller for sure. All right, so GJ still pushing up here, 15 by the close. Yeah, it's interesting. I'm sure somebody took advantage of this push up of this range right here. Probably have a scalper. Probably got a scalper, went all the way down to the minute. Was like, yo, this is about to drive up, man. This is about to drive up, man. This is about to drive up. I'm testing out my my accents. This is about to drive up. This is about to drive up, man. Yeah, wagwan, man. It's right, your bomber clap about to drive up, man. Yare, Kiar. You know the Jamaican accent when you speaking with a Jamaican accent. One of my favorite things is like the AR, you know, the Kiar. Get in the blood clot Kiar. Kiar. It's not car, it's Kiar. Get in the blood clot Kiar. Me if you not play with you. Me if you not play with you. You think me if you play with you? Bomber clot. You bomber clot youth. But alright, 15-minute about to close. We're seeing that last few seconds of extension on this candle. Ooh, we're pumping. Pump the jam. Okay, we're actually pushing up here. Alright, this is creating a okay, so this might do something here. This might do something here. Just go down so I don't have to use my brain, man. Ay. Yeah, if this closes above, we're gonna have to start thinking. We're gonna have to start thinking here. Oof. Okay. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna close above. So that's the 15 closing above, huh? It's not clean though. Damn. Okay, so 15 closed. Respected. At least respecting the 30 level, right? Yeah, we got this as the hourly level as well, man. Yeah, I'd prefer we see at least that 30-minute closing. Yeah. But with the way things are looking, we might not get an opportunity to, like, we might not get the entries, right? We might just start pushing straight up here, right? And we might tap 189 points, sorry, 188 here, right? We might just push straight up to 188, no dice. Yeah, I can't really take this. I can't take this. I can't take this. The only way I could have taken this would have been from down here, right? To fill this range. And now that we fill this range, we would basically be playing with house money, right? We either break even or we close in the position right there. But right now, there's really nothing much. Yeah, I mean, we could have taken advantage of this smaller move, but to be honest, yeah, I wasn't even looking at it. If I'm being honest, I wasn't even looking at it, right? Because I saw this range here, but it didn't look like much of a range. But it turns out it's like, what, 27 pips? Oh, not 27, I'm bugging. 20, like 20 pips. Yeah, man. Oof. Yeah, yeah, no FOMO though, no FOMO. Yeah, let me not even say I'm tempted. Yeah, I'm not gonna take anything here, because the levels on the 15 are not clean. They're not clean. You have a level here, you got a level here, right? So really you gotta clear. Yeah, your cleanest path forward, I would say, would be a closure above here on the 15. Maybe if you have a closure on the 5, then you have, yeah, you have like a 10, you have like a 12-ish, yeah, like a 12 pip vantage point there. Right, you close above here, you have about a 12 pip vantage point on the 15. But a 30-minute closure would be a lot better, or at least I would prefer that. Yeah, gold definitely waiting for news. Let's see what this guy is gonna do. Yeah, we might not, news might actually not do much, because what was it? News is building permits, right? We got building permits at 8:30. And yeah, man, I mean, today is FOMC, sorry. Right, today's FOMC Wednesday, right? So, you know, anything can happen. Or sorry, what might happen here is we sort of consolidate for the session, right? We consolidate during the session, and then, you know, in the afternoon, by the afternoon time, FOMC time, that's when you're gonna see price going crazy. But we'll see, right? We'll see. Yeah, this coffee is doing nothing for me, dog. Let me get it in the chat. Does coffee actually work on y'all? Like, does coffee keep you awake, or, you know, give you energy? Because it doesn't do jack shit for me, man. It does absolutely nothing for me. I think it's more of a placebo effect. Imagine I get addicted to coffee, but it's just the placebo effect, so I'm not actually getting any of the, you know, the improved or the heightened senses, right? Improved reaction times. improved comprehensive comprehension, right? Improved comprehension, improved reasoning, all of that. It's like you're a crackhead, but you don't get high on crack. You know what I mean? It's a hell of an example, huh? Yeah, that's what we're trying to avoid right there. That level right there. I like the way you do it, like there. Yeah, if we took those buys, we would have been out of there right there. No reason to hold that trade. Trust me. Okay, let's see. We digging out from the gutters at this point. You know what's funny? Because the thing is, right? Like in phase 1, I mean, we were in the red maybe twice, I think. I don't know. No, I think it was only once we got in the red in phase 1. Yeah. So like in both of these phases, I'm making a lot more money than the profit target. But yeah, I mean, that's to be, if you're losing money, you got to make that back, innit? It's just like I don't know where I'm going with this train of thought. I just started talking, to be honest, but I like the fact that they removed the time limit. Right, they removed the 1 month time limit, because I know there was like some data that showed that it really didn't, it didn't reduce the amount of people that were failing the challenges, right? That it didn't really reduce the amount by much, or if anything. But nah, I like that they did that, because it makes the trading environment a lot more, realistic. All right, because in real life, you don't have, you're not working at a deadline, right? If you're trading, you're not working on a deadline. If you are, you're doing something wrong, right? If it's like, oh, I need to make, X amount of money by the month's end, then yeah, you're going about this the wrong way, I would say. Because you shouldn't put that pressure. Right, the pressure for like paying your bills, or sustaining your way of life or quality of life, it shouldn't be attached to Forex, in my opinion. That's why a lot of people say you want to be in a comfortable position, right, before you actually quit that day job, right? So you want to have your guaranteed checks still coming in, right, until you're at a certain position where it's like, okay, even if I have like 3 losing months in a row, right, or 3 months where I don't really make money, I'm still blessed, right? I'm still blessed off of trading alone, right? Like that's the comfortability you want to have when you're deciding to go full time into trading, right? Right now I'm just yapping, right? Because I mean, I haven't gone full time into trading, but just I listen to people's stories, the famous and the what? Not the rich and the famous, but the famous and the well accomplished, or whatever. I listen to their stories, try and learn from them before I get to that position. You gotta learn from the people that were there before you, No point in making a mistake someone already made. You're not doing anybody any services. Wow. What? Yeah, this life is crazy, bro. Yeah, life is crazy. All right, man. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Yeah. 5 minutes for a 30 closer. 5 minutes till news as well. So we're just hanging around. Just hanging around. Okay, I think it's about time. Well, I said I was gonna say it's about time I address the issue. Like I'm fucking like anybody gives a fuck about what I gotta say. But like, nah. I mean, y'all have heard me sort of co-sign a certain, Forex. What would I call him? A guru? Content creator? I don't know. Man like Don, right? Man like Don Vo. And I'm not gonna lie, things ain't looking good right now. Cause I mean, he had the PAM account, right? Lost a bunch of money on what seems like it seemed like a bot was trading, right? Because what was it, like 300 trades in a day or something like that, right? He lost a whole bunch of money, a whole bunch of people's monies. Yes, I did say monies, yeah. But yeah, I mean, he lost a whole bunch of money off of trading that, that he basically preaches against, which is revenge trading, right? And high frequency trading, right? Just trading off emotion. And then he just ghosted, right? He just ghosted. He hasn't streamed, homie. I mean, I hope homie is okay though, cause like his social media they deleted, right? Got deleted. Well, not his page is still up, I think, but like I think he just took out some pictures or some Forex related things. I don't know. The Discord, actually, I'm in the Discord. Let me see what the Discord is saying. Yeah, the Discord. Let me see. Let me see. I mean, Discord is pretty. I mean, it's dead compared to usual, but there's still motherfuckers in here. And like, yeah, that's tough. Yeah, the Discord is. Hey yo, motherfuckers in the Discord said this dude said he moved to Vietnam. The motherfucker said for life he's moved to Vietnam. That's crazy, man. Yeah, and I don't know why you would do that, man. Cause it doesn't strike me as like. I mean, you can fake anything, to be honest, right? This is the internet at the end of the day, so you can put out whatever image you want people to see, right? And that not be the truth. But I mean, to just do that shit on a live for 3 years straight, I mean, come on, dog. Like you built a following, man. You built a brand, right? You have a community. Like, why would you just betray that trust for what? Like, you're already making money. My boy, like you got millions you literally got millions in the bank, dog. Like just off of your normal trading, at least allegedly at this point, right? Because things are looking shady, right? Things are looking a little shady. Like an innocent man doesn't stay this quiet this long for no reason, right? So I mean, there might be a reason, right? There might be a reason, but right now things don't look good, right? Innocent until proven guilty, of course, but things are not looking the best. Like if I had to defend old boy, he wouldn't really be making things it wouldn't be giving me an easy time right now. Okay, let's shelf that for a bit though. We got news in 10 seconds. We got news in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Put your bets. Where we going? Up or down? I say down. Let's go. Nope, we're going up. Okay. What's gold doing? What's gold doing?
What the dog doing?
Okay, let me see. So news came out positive, so we should be going down, yeah? So we should be going down. All right. Yeah, that would be crazy. I was about to say a doozy. What the hell is a doozy, dog? All right, so I mean, news is to the downside. All right, so if we do end up, let me see what was going on. Yeah, so like I said, this daily could still flip. Previous daily did close bearish. We could still flip. If we were coming up just to make a top wick, this would be a good area to reject off of, right? And if we don't reject off of here, we continue pushing, we're most likely gonna see at least 25.84 then. All right, but yeah, so I mean, currently we're going down. I mean, we tapped into this level, we're currently going down. That 30-minute did close bearish, right? But not bearish back into the range though. So we didn't close bearish back into this range. Okay, news is to the downside. Okay, just checking off these boxes. Okay, so closure below here maybe. Okay, I mean, price is moving down as well with news, so that's cool. The only issue here, we're not really moving quick, right? We're not moving fast. We're not really moving fast here. Okay, now we're sort of picking up the speed here. All right, cool. I like this actually. If we can close below here, right? If we can close below here, this level, if we can close below, I'm gonna wait for a top wick, because I mean, we might not get the top wick, but the thing is, because we have news, right? We might not get the top wick because this is a move. This is a news move, so the volume might be enough to just sort of drive us down. But there's the thing, I can't take a sell without a top wick here. This 30-minute has no top wick, right? So yeah, so what I need now, I need a closure below here, a top wick over there. Once we take out this low again, I'll take the sells to fill the rest of the range to the downside. All right, this is yeah, it's about a 20 pip range. It's not terrible. Back at it again like a rerun. Give me my money back, refund. Say now what you need to talk about? Got stopped out on BE on gold. Okay. Yeah, GJ still you have buys on GJ, yeah? I mean, depending on where you got in, you might still be good, because I do think I mean, we'll see, right? We'll see, but yeah, we'll see. Buys on GJ, yeah. I mean, you might be good depending on where your stops are. Your BE is, you might be good, because there's a high chance we continue with the buys here. All right, there's a high chance you continue with the buys here, but you have tapped into a day. We are respecting a potential rejection area, right? So we might start driving down here, but at the same time we might find support here and drive through towards 187, 188, right? 188 areas. So I'd say at 188, then you want to start contemplating whether you want to stay in the position or close. Nice. All right, that first 5 just closed. So we didn't close we closed respecting rather. We closed respecting that level there, so I don't really have any entries. Plus we don't have a top wick, so yeah, nothing forming on gold yet. Well, something's forming, we just don't have anything yet. All right, so that's end of news, at least for the early New York session. Right, by 2 o'clock we're gonna see Fed interest rates and FOMC. I'm gonna trade, the interest rate decision at 2, but as for the speech, I'm gonna just watch price do its craziness, right? I'm just watch price do what it does. Yeah, you might see gold in another dimension before the end of today. Depends on how FOMC is gonna go, but you might see gold in a separate dimension. Yeah, let's see how this next 15 closes though. Let's see. If we're not seeing anything solid by 9, like at least forming, we're just gonna hop off, because that probably means we're just gonna consolidate until FOMC, right? Price sometimes does that. When you have heavy news like that in the afternoon, we'll sort of range during the New York session. But you're still driving down here. I mean, I'm not surprised, but in terms of entries, I mean, we can't take this, man. Like, yeah, I mean, news wasn't convincing enough for me to take these sells without a top wick here. All right, I wasn't convinced from news. But yeah, I mean, it looks like we're driving down though. FOMC probably, yeah, we'll see, huh? We will see. Oh no. Why'd you say probably gonna drive up though? What's your reason for that? Bro, I was just talking about man like Don, yeah. And I checked the Discord server, and one guy was like, "Yo," they were like, man, on indices and gold. Gotcha. Yeah, so they were like, where's this guy now? Where I never should still. One guy talks to you more. He said, the guy said, my guy said, Mans is in Vietnam. He done cashed out. So he in Vietnam. Hey. I see himself. I want to talk out word for word. Yeah, he said he moved to Vietnam, bro. He's literally set for life over there, and he's not lying. Hey, I tell y'all right now, I will never scam y'all. If I ever get to the position where I can scam y'all, I will never scam y'all. But if I did, just find me in Nigeria, man. Like, play back the tapes and just come back. Just find me in Nigeria. Trust me, I'm nowhere else but Nigeria, bro. Bro, cash out, cash out and crash out, bro. Cash out like millions. Oh, come on, man. I did go back my country, man. Nice like this. Come on. Go buy one soft 6-bedroom apartment. One 6-bedroom crib for that your estate. For that side. Straight up, man. There's no better place to spend money than Nigeria, trust me. No better place to spend money. But be careful how you spend it to make your village people no come hold you. Say this guy they enter along just last week. Now he ain't there inside Benz. I take do him. Oh yeah, time destiny. One time. Yeah. Cause you know the thing with village people, I think they are ill-gotten. Sorry, they are what is it? They are ill will. You know, their ill will only affect your ill-gotten riches or your ill-gotten, you know, commodities. But the one way you sweat for, where Baba God help you get, they don't fit do anything. But as soon as they know, say now Yahoo way you do find out, put the law. They don't put them inside calabash with padlock. Padlock we get we get on print. Hey. You don't see your fellow tribesmen for that side, for those your ends. But I know say they plenty for there, innit? Sheffield. I forgot, bro. I forgot so many things, man. This week just get as it be. It's just story on your own. Just story. It's just story on your own. Alright, couple minutes left here. Couple minutes left. So we don't have news anymore, right? At least for the rest of the stream duration. Yeah. So 3 minutes left for a 15 closure. Let's see. The only thing I can see here is this 15 on GJ potentially closing above. Then we take those buys. Because right now this gold isn't really where it needs to be. Or maybe it is actually. So that previous hourly close bullish could feel that wick. Okay, if this 30-minute flips. This 30-minute flips. This 30-minute flips. Close respect. Yes, Sirski. Hi, man. Have a blessed one. Appreciate you. Man, them doing big things, man. Big things with the AI. Big things with the AI. Nice. Respect it. Gotta respect it. Gotta respect it. Okay, let's see. 1 minute left for a 15 closure here. If this 15 flips here in this last minute, if we somehow flip and close bullish, that becomes interesting. That becomes interesting. Interesting enough for me to take a buy? Not really. I'd prefer the 30 close bullish. Okay. Alright, about to have a closer in a couple of seconds. 15 closer in a couple seconds. 20 seconds. What's Bitcoin saying? Yo, bro. Wait. Oh my goodness, bro. This would have been the call of the century. This would have been the call of the century. Bro, I called a buy at 50,000, man. I told somebody to buy at 50K, and now we're almost at 60K. So by the law of math, right, if you had let me see, I mean 15 just closed, but I'm not expecting anything, so doesn't matter. If you had $100 in there, you would have had $120 right now. If you had $1,000 in there, right, you would have $1,200 in there right now. You know what I mean? You had 1K in there, you're making $200 profit. So you had 5K in there, all right, you make 6,000. Well, you make 1,000 anyways. You make $1,000 in profit, right? So, you know, hey, it's not bad, huh? That's if you bought, not even if you traded that. I mean, depends on your lot size, but if you traded that, that would have been hefty. I would have been hefty. All right, boom. All right, yeah, it looks like we're not doing much here. We're not doing much here. Let's see. Not much going on. Known con artist. Oh my goodness. Yo, I'm just reading stuff regarding, you know, the whole downvote situation. And that's pips per trade of average pips per trade of 0.6. That's a lie. Bro, imagine this dude was actually scamming motherfuckers. Imagine. Nah, bro. But like, nah, I don't think so. Cause I mean, the evidence is there, right? Like, I mean, this, you know, this whole ma'am thing aside, cause a lot of people now are using this ma'am, you know, like let's you know, let's put the man on trial for the crimes he committed, you know, not for some other shit. Cause like a lot of people are now trying to use the current situation to sort of say dude is just like, you know, doesn't know what he's talking about, right? Like he's not a profitable trader and all of this, but I think he is though, cause man's been live streaming everything. I mean, I'm sure you can, you know, if someone really has the time, they can go back and like, you know, look at all the videos to just sort of, you know, match things up, make sure there was no manipulation of the numbers, you know. Well, I mean, even then, right? Even then, he would just say he took a trade off stream, right? Right? You're not gonna have, you know, a record of everything, right? He would just say he took the yeah, man. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I gotta give him the benefit of the doubt, right? Because I mean, maybe I'm not as critical because I really didn't spend any money on his course, and I never bought his courses. I literally just showed up for the live streams. That's it. All right. And bro, let me tell you, those live streams, you learn a lot. You learn a lot, man. There's value there. There's some value there, and that's free too. All right. So yeah, I don't know what's going on, to be honest. It's not looking good at all, though. Let me tell you. Like, homie made himself a brand, bro. A brand. He had a community, you know. You got DVS for Asian session, DVS for, you know, New York for whatever. And you're telling me he just like, I don't know, man. I don't know. I find it hard to believe, though. I find it hard to believe that you just wake up one day like, you know what? Forget all of this. I'm gonna just scam a whole bunch of motherfuckers. Cause, yeah, I can't even wrap my head around it, bro. I can't wrap my head around it. Like, cause sure, homie had the, you know, he had the expensive lifestyle, right? But he never really, you know, I mean, he had the car and all that, but I mean, if you got money, why would you not, you know, buy nice things? You know what I mean? Like, you like cars, you got money now, why would you not buy nice cars? Why would you still be buying, you know, some junk, right? That's not humility, that's just stupidity, all right? Because I mean, you got money, dog, all right? So you're afforded, you know, you have access to the finer things in life, all right? Just cause you're driving around in a nice whip doesn't mean you're a dickhead, you know what I mean? Now, telling everybody every single chance you get that you drive a nice whip, then yeah, maybe you a dickhead. But just having nice things, come on, you work for your money, dog. Use it. Don't let your money use you, huh? Use your money. But yeah, like, he never showed, you know, he never showed that glimpse of, you know, that fake guru greed, as they say. FGG, I believe they call it, fake guru greed, you know. So I mean, he never showed that. So I mean, yeah, man, I don't know what's going on. I mean, I give homie the benefit of the doubt. I mean, he hasn't said anything in what, a month now, or maybe more than a month. I don't know, but it's not looking good though. But for what he did, for what I did learn from his live streams, I gotta give him the benefit of the doubt, man. I can't speak on the man, but hey, I don't know. Easy for me to say though, cause I never spent any money. I didn't have any money in the MAM, never spent money on courses, you know. So, you know, easy for me to say, right? But yeah, man, I just don't understand it, man. Like, you're making decent money, bro. Like, this is beyond decent, anyways. Like, if homie's track record is to be believed, right, at least from the live streams and all that, I mean, you're making money. Like, you're trading full time already, right? You're eating off the charts already, right? So why take some from another man's plate, right? You offer me food, but you gave me poison. What the hell is that? All right, you should have just let me starve, dog. You know what I mean? How you gonna offer me food and then give me poison? That's tough. That's tough. Should have just let me starve, or at least find my own food. Yeah, man. I mean, hopefully homeboy comes out and he's like, oh, I was kidnapped. You know, the bots gotta, you know, I don't know, man. The bots got a hold of my account, just started to sell everything, and that's why I took 300 trades in one day. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully there's a nice wholesome conclusion to everything, right? But yeah, right now some people done lost a lot of money, man. And of course, you know, it's like, yeah, cool. We know you're not. I mean, if you're gonna put a substantial amount of your life's, you know, net worth, you're gonna put that in the hands of another man. At that point, you're basically resigning yourself to losing everything, right? I mean, of course, it's because it's a trusted person, right? You're not just giving a random person your money. Someone you trust, that has built trust with you, and you know their track record as a professional, right? But at the same time, if you're gonna put X amount of money, and that amount of money is gonna cripple you, right, or drastically hinder your, you know, your quality of life, yeah, man. Hey, at that point, you know, blame sort of goes in every direction at that point, you know. But hey, I mean, at the end of the day, all right, we're coming up here. I mean, I was thinking about getting in on this push, because what GJ does a lot is you'll see the push happen, especially when you have this 4-hour closures type of a push, or yeah, especially when you're nearing the 4-hour closure, you'll see the push happen right before the 4-hour close. So you basically see this whole range get filled up in this next 2 minutes, that type of thing, right? But yeah, we don't want to mess around and find out around these levels here. All right, we don't want to mess around and find out right there. So we not messing around and finding nothing out. We not messing around and finding that out. Yeah, but yeah, closure is coming up on gold here. Well, on everything anyways. 4-hour closure. So you're gonna close above most recent. Okay. Yeah, I mean, close it inside this range. There's really nothing I'm seeing here, at least not off rip. I mean, we might get a bottom wick and then drive up, but you've already tapped 25.80 here, right? You tapped it, and then now you're sort of holding. Yeah, if we sort of close inside this range, I'm not really sure what direction we want to go. We're gonna have to wait for maybe a 30-minute closure to tell us something, but yeah, right now we'll see. But if we do end up closing back below here, it's not a fake out on the hourly. It's not really a fake out, right? You've tapped that level now, right? This 25.80 is a level of rejection on the 4-hour, right? There is a potential level of rejection to drive down if this daily wants to flip and continue pushing down, right? So yeah, I mean, if this hourly closes below here, all right, if this hourly does close below, we have opportunities for the sell. I'm just trying to think of where it would make sense in terms of a top wick. Okay, I mean, here you have this closure down here. Yeah, this, look where that tapped as well. Yeah, if I want to take a sell, if I want to take the sells here, I mean, for starters, this is about to close in 46 seconds. This needs to close below. This cannot close bullish. Yeah, if we close respecting, I'm looking to actually take the buys. But again, question, where do we make the bottom wick, right? Actually, table gold for second. Let's focus on GJ. Okay, we're driving up here. Okay, this hourly closer I like that hourly close. Okay, hourly close, bring me up here. Let me see, where's that 4-hour level? Close right at the level, huh? Damn. So right at this level of support right here. Ooh, that's a quick flip. That's a quick flip. Yeah, that might be the one. That might be the one. So 35. So we close respect day here. Okay, so I think this is a good bottom wick. I think that's a decent bottom wick. Let me see. It's 15 close. Okay, we close respecting. Driven down in the past. Bottom wick, drove up 15. 30 is clean though. Okay. Got a 5 up there, and then we can drive. All right, cool. I mean, I understand this 4-hour doesn't have a top wick, so we actually could take the wick entry, right? Potentially we could look for the wick entry here, right? To sort of, for us to have a top wick. But what I'm looking at, why I'm not too keen on taking the wick entry here. Where was it? So we sort of tapped into a resistance area, right? I mean, this 4-hour support, right? This 4-hour level could be doubling as resistance now, right? And we're just gonna keep on falling there. That's a potential, or that's a possibility. Yeah, I don't think so though. I don't think that's what's gonna happen here. Yeah, it could come down, push up. All right, cool. I'm not gonna take the wick entry unless we come all the way down to 187.33, and even at that point, yeah, the 5 minutes gonna have to be convincing for me. All right, maybe we close no bottom wick or something, right? But yeah, yeah, right now I'm gonna look for a closure above here on the 5, and I'll get into the buys. Okay, what is this range? What is this range right here? 12 pips. What is this? 7 pips. Okay. Yeah, I'm not surprised that's pushing up. Ooh, that 15. 4-hour. Yeah, I need a 15-minute closer on gold. I need a 15-minute closer on gold, and then as for GJ, I need a 5 closer above. So it looks like this minute's about to close, or sorry, this 5's about to close in a minute. I'm gonna need this 5 to flip up here if I'm gonna get involved. We need a closer above that level. Our stops, let me see. Our stops, I mean, it depends on where we make our bottom wick, to be honest. But if you're gonna come down here just for a bottom wick maximum, I'd say you'd be somewhere around here for a bottom wick. All right, so you might take out these lows over here. So yeah, something like this. Yeah, if we're waiting for that much confirmation, then we really shouldn't be coming back down here. We shouldn't be coming back down here, but Let's see. I would like to get in right now. What do y'all think? Y'all see an entry here? I would like to get in right now, but yeah, nah, I don't. You see this level that we sort of rejected off of right down over here? We might not actually need a bottom top wick, right? If we've basically tapped into a level here, we might not need a top wick, but I don't think so though. I do think we're gonna flip here at some point. Yeah, I do think we're gonna flip here at some point. All right, if we tapped 187.66, then I'd be more convinced that we don't need to flip. All right, but at this, yeah, the way we are right now, I do think we're gonna need to see a flip here. The 5 closed already. We closed bearish, right? Closed bearish on the 5. We take out those highs, we might push up. Okay. Yeah, I just don't want the situation. I mean, now we've had a 5-minute bearish closure, right? We've already had a 5-minute bearish closure, so I don't want a situation where we just come up for a top wick and continue driving back down. So that's why I want to see a 5-minute closure above here, and then we can start cooking. Okay, well, that's GJ. As for gold, okay, nice 5-minute closer. Would even be a better 15 closer. Ooh, this is not. This is a what is this? This is a formation though. This is an entry. This is technically an entry right here. But I don't know. This 4-hour close, the way we closed there. I mean, we closed above most recent resistance over here, but we didn't make much of a bottom wick before coming up. So actually, yeah, the way this looks, I think we're gonna feel, or if we do feel this wick to the left, we most likely are gonna tap. We're most likely gonna tap 2583.8 here. Yeah, with the way this is looking. My fault. mic with you. Y'all gotta tell me when my mic is off, man. Like, I don't know if it's off or not. Wait, so did I not? Oh my god. So I've been muted the whole time or what? I don't understand, man. This is some important shit I be saying, man. Y'all gotta hear me, man. Y'all gotta hear me. You know what I mean? It's like, okay, let's see. All right, next 5 close bullish. Yeah, this is looking like it wants to do something here. Not gonna get too excited though. It's gonna chill out. It's gonna chill out for now. Gonna chill out, mate. Gonna chill out. Okay. My fault, y'all. Got lost in the sauce. Okay. All right, 15 is about to close. All right, to be honest with you, man, we might actually take the early entry here. Yeah, we might take this early entry here. It's a little risky though. It is a little risky. It is a little risky. Okay, so where did we close? Yeah, you don't need to go all the way up there. Yeah, nah, I don't think I'm gonna risk that one for the, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna risk that one for the biscuit, man. I ain't risking it for the biscuit. Yeah, nah, you want a clean closure above 25.81. I would like to be in there early as well, but yeah, priorities, right? Priorities. All right, there you go. There goes your flip. There goes your flip on GJ. That's what you're looking for. All right, okay, there goes your flip. Let's see what happens now. I mean, if we got in on that flip, we're already break even. Well, not yet, but about 5 pips off, we'll be break even. Okay, now we gotta stall. Just stall for me. Don't push too much. Don't push too much now. Just above here, and that's good. Just above here, and you chilling. All right, we get that closure above here. Vantage point is about 10 pips, and we home free. All right, gotta just calm down a little bit. You're moving a little too much here. Just calm down. Calm down now. All right, cool. Got about a minute left. Let's see what happens. Let me just get ready here. GJ 106.948. Okay. Let's see. Can we get some cooking here? Okay, as soon as we close, we get a bottom wick, we in there. Ay. Come on, close above, man. This guy. Just close above, dog. There you go. Push up a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. 6.95. Okay, couple seconds. I need a bottom wick. Did that close no top wick? Does that 15 not have a top wick? Okay, boom. Right there, I'm gonna take a buy. Just took a buy right there. BE is 187.785 here. Let's see what happens. So trade stops 186.948. TP 187.932. Okay, say we're approaching BE area. We're approaching BE area. Let me just look to the left here. Okay. Okay, we didn't quite tap into the BE areas, but yeah, we didn't quite tap into this 187.784. But let me see. Is there a reason to be worried about that? I don't think so. Well, actually, yeah, you do have rejection around these areas as well. Yeah, I mean, let's see what happens here. Yeah, if we take out those highs again, then I'll go BE. If we take out the highs again, I'll go BE. Let's see. And we just took out the highs. All right, did we just take out the highs or no? Five minute closure. Okay. I mean, we're still in here though. We're still in here. We still haven't hit our BE level. We still have not hit our BE level yet. Let me. $26.48. TP 187.9. All right, cool. Let's see Wagwan. Am I not supposed to change my screen? There you go. All right, so we're pushing up here. 15. Okay, so we're finding it hard to really break through. That what is it, 187.74-ish area or level. My BE level, we're just about like 2 to 3 pips off of my BE right there, and it looks like we're coming back down here. I mean, let's see how this 5 closes though. This 5 is about to close in a minute. This 5 is about to close in 1 minute here. So let's see how that closes. Yeah, we might continue pushing down here. We might see some more drawdown. Because here's the thing: if this 5 closes bearish, yeah. If the 5 closes bearish, I'm gonna close this position most likely. Yeah, I'm gonna close this position because then I don't like this formation we have here. We sort of have this. I mean, on my broker or on my MT4, right? It shows that this bullish candle does have a top wick, but on trading view there's not much of one. So if the next candle now is closing bearish after this no top wick, yeah, I mean, then at that point it doesn't mean you're gonna drive down, but it does mean you're more susceptible to seeing more drawdown here, right? All right, so 3 seconds left for this 5 to close. And okay, so we closed bullish, which is good. We closed bullish, which is good. I like the open as well. The open is not terrible. We're making a bottom wick first, right? So I mean, if we flip now, if we can fill this wick to the left, right? As soon as we fill that wick to the left, I'll go break even, right? Because if we're taking out those highs again, we should theoretically, we should start pushing up towards yeah, we should push straight up to our BE area, right? If we take out that high again. So we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. Okay, you're coming up here. Okay, you're coming up. Okay, we're about to tap into that level now. Not there yet. We're about to take out those highs. Okay, we're struggling. We are struggling here. We are struggling here. Okay. Okay, let me see. What levels are we struggling at? Okay, that's interesting. Okay, now we're flipping bearish. Interesting. I mean, I got no reason to believe, or I have no reason to, you know, get out the position right now, right? Even though I would prefer okay, we're pushing up, take out those highs. Okay, we just took out those highs. I'm gonna go break even right there. I'm gonna go break even right there. Let me see, 0.42. So what is that? Let me see, 0.42 is, oh no. 42 is 168. Put this down a little bit, give it some more room to breathe. There you go. All right, cool. All right, so we're at BE right now. This is currently risk free. We took out those highs. I mean, theoretically speaking, if you're taking out those highs now, you should just see price push up, right? But if you're taking out those highs again and you're starting to come back down, then I mean, things are a little shaky. All right, you took out the highs again, but you're rejecting, right? So things are, yeah, nah, I don't like how things look. We might get stopped out, but BE is not bad. I take a BE trade over a loss. Yeah, coming back down now, and yeah, we out of there. So we out of there at BE. We're out of there at BE. Yeah, this might continue driving up here. I just don't like what just happened, right? We took out the highs multiple times, still didn't drive up towards our BE areas, really. Yeah, not a fan of that. Not a fan. I mean, even if we do end up driving up here, it is what it is, right? Because we just sort of delayed here, right? The position sort of lagged behind, but it is what it is. Yeah, so let's see if price offers us another entry here. Let's see. Let's see. So it's about to be the last 5 of this 30-minute candle. So the last 5 of the 30-minute candle. I mean, I'm out of there, but clearly we're still going up, right? Clearly we are still going up. Okay, and now we just tapped actual BE areas. So right there would be actual BE areas. Yeah, but we're out of the position already, man. We had a good entry too. We had a good entry, but yeah. Yeah, that literally just came back. That came down one more time just to take us out at BE and then push up, right? That's unfortunate. Damn, yeah, that's about to fly. That is about to fly. That is about to fly. So yeah, let me just put that on the record real quick. Let me put that on the record. So BE 51. And for the month, we got one. All right. Okay. All right, so 5 minutes just closed bullish as well. Not bullish above though. At least not the level on the 5. Yeah, we'll get another opportunity at this maybe with the 30-minute closer. All right. We got another potential opportunity here with the 30-minute closer. Of course, I would have preferred my entry, right? But hey, we tried it, took us out BE. So we gotta look for something else. We gotta look for something else. Okay, cool. So now you're here. Now you're here. All right. Now you're here. Now you're here. Okay, that's important. Yeah. So now we need to close above, right? Now we need to close above. Now we actually need to close above. All right, 30-minute closure coming up. Bruh, look at our trade, man. Look at our trade. We were in here too. This guy stopped out by a millimeter of a pip. Okay, so this range is not bad. The range is not terrible, but for the daily, okay, full TPs over there. This is the 515. It's 30. All right, cool. So this is the next potential. This is what we got for potential here. Damn, bro, our entry was fuegos too, man. Bruh, by how many pips did we get stopped out, man? Bro, price literally tapped my break even area and then just push straight up. Literally just tapped and pushed straight up. I mean, I couldn't not go break even there, right? Given where, well, actually, let's lock in real quick. Let's lock in real quick. So this 30 minute just closed. Okay, 30 minute about to close on gold as well. Gold is promising here as well. Okay, we're closing above most recent on gold. Closing above most recent on gold. Coming up without a bottom wick though. So not the best look. GJ. Ooh, that's not nice. I bought. Yo, my mic, I don't know what's going on. It always turns off, but y'all gotta tell me these things, man. So I'm on a roll here, man. I'm out here breaking things down, you know. Oh, GJ gone. Wait, where was GJ just now? Okay, nah, we chilling. I was like, yo, GJ is gone. Nah, we in the same place. I mean, it is gone for sure. Yeah, it is gone, but we've been gone for a while. It's not really surprising. All right. I mean, I can see us coming down here. I see us coming down here. But we don't really have the play for the sells quite yet. I mean, this makes sense. If we're gonna make a bottom wick on the 4, if it's not here, it's gonna be here. All right. So you sort of have to start rejecting right about now. You want to start seeing some rejections right about now. Okay. But if we do end up closing below here, if we do end up closing below this level here, what is this level on the 4 hour? Well, okay. So you would just be coming for a full-on retest, right? Nah, no way. Yeah, if you're coming down here, you're coming down to this level, I think. If you're gonna drop here, you're gonna drop to this level right here. But then you have that to worry about. Okay. All right, let's see how we close in the next 15 minutes. $50 pips, that's about 88 pips, not bad. Okay, I mean, at that point, it shouldn't flip. If that flips, that means this is your top wick here. So if that flips, you're pretty much screwed. So I'm just gonna go to this high right here. All right. Okay. All right. 15-minute closes in 1 minute. 15-minute closes in 1 minute here. Let's let's see how we close here. Let's see how we close here. I got a minute left. We got a minute left. Yeah, this is interesting. Hey, yo, my whole terminal is bugging. Yeah, there you go. So this is gold, yeah? Two, 5, 8, 2, 6, 2, 7. All right, 20 seconds for a closure. Okay. Yeah, man, this 15 is we might close somewhere interesting here. Okay. Yeah, that's an interesting place to close. Ay. I'm tempted to take a sell right here. I mean, if we come back anyways. Hey, okay. So what do we... Okay, the hourly... So we tap that level. It's the 4-hour level as well. You're gonna reject. That would be the place to reject off of, right? Okay. Did we close below something here? We'll close below these right here. But we've already tapped into this level now. Last time you came, tap here. Okay. I'm gonna consider these sells. I'm gonna consider these sells. But I need a top wick towards this level here. Yeah, I'm gonna consider the sells off this flip. But I'm gonna need that top wick. I need the top wick here. Here. I need a top wick here. Then once we flip, I'll take a sell going down. But it looks like we're gonna flip already. Looks like we're gonna flip already. So we might miss this one. We might miss it. Yeah, man. It's because we've already tapped into this level. That's why I need a steeper wick. We've already tapped into this level here. That's why I need a steeper wick. Yeah, let's see what happens though. Let's see what happens. I think this is gonna be our final. Well, we'll stay till 10. We'll stay till the 10 o'clock close, and we'll move from there. Yeah. Yo, y'all gotta tell me if my mic is off, man. My mic has been off, what, twice now? Crazy. I mean, I don't think there's anyone in here though. But, you know. When there are people in here, y'all gotta tell me. All right, let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. This 5 about to close. That's interesting. News at 10:30. Okay, we're coming up. We are coming up here. I mean, this is about a 10 pip range right here. It's about 10 pip vantage point. That's beautiful. Okay, let's see. Let us see. All right, so you're flipping now. You're flipping and you might drive now. You might drive. Yeah, I really wanted that steeper top wick. I really wanted that steeper top wick. I didn't just want the steeper top wick. I needed the steeper top wick, right? At this point, gotta wait for the hourly close, man. Not gonna lie to you. Gonna have to wait for the hourly close. Yeah, I mean, if we can still come up here and create this top wick and come back here, then sure, maybe. But right now, yeah, right now, nah, man. Nah, I wanted that top wick, bro. I wanted that top wick. I wasn't convinced off of this. This did not convince me. Yeah, I mean, there goes another 5 closure bearish. It's just cool and all, but yeah, still can't really take anything here, man. I mean, I guess there's volume. But don't really have anything to take here. Damn it. Okay, yeah, right there I would have been BE, and this melting. This is melting, huh? Damn, bro. Maybe I should have taken it, huh? Damn. Yeah, that's unfortunate. But that's how the crumble cookies. That's how the cookie crumbles, you know. That's how the cookie crumbles. That's how the cookie crumbles. I mean, right there, we would have been out already. Well, now we would have been BE right now. Not we would have held this. This I would have held, right? Cause look at that 4 hour. Now you came all the way back down here, right? Why would you not tap into this level, right? I'll probably hold that. I'll probably hold that till we tap into this level real nicely. 2568.67. Yeah. Yeah, we just needed a bit more on that top wick, man. We needed a bit more on that top wick. If there's 5-minute closes below here, that's something you could play as well. We could play that as well, but I mean we'll see exactly how it closes, but at that point the hourly is about to close, so we might as well just wait for the hourly to close, right? Then we have better confirmations for the drive down. So yeah, man, let's see what happens here. But the 5 close will be interesting as well, though. The 5 close will be interesting as well. Yeah, because if we close below, we might just keep on driving down here. Tap 2568.6 before the 4 hour even, or sorry, before the hourly even closes. But yeah, I mean, now that we're down here, I don't see why you wouldn't tap this level right here. I don't see any reason why you wouldn't tap that. It's just a matter of getting the entries now, right? Damn. So same story as with GJ. All right, we saw the entry, or we saw potential for the entry, but it never developed. Well, GJ, we were in there, we just got stopped out at BE, huh? Yeah, so the move pretty much played out on GJ already. All right, that move played out on GJ. We've tapped into these levels now, so yeah, now we sort of have to start seeing some closures to get a new, you know, we need a new story on GJ here. We've hit targets, right? The move we were looking for the day, all right, which is this potential top wick to drive down. It's happened already, right? It's already happened. So now price needs to tell us, are we gonna continue pushing up, or are we finally ready to start coming back down, right? Is this enough of a top wick to start coming back down? So yeah, you got that 30-minute coming back. You got that 30-minute coming back, which is cool. If this hourly can flip, now, let me clear my let me clear these levels up. Actually keep that there. Yeah, so new look on GJ, right? Gotta refresh our look on GJ, because you know that move already played out. Now we gotta look for something else, right? So if you can close bearish here, right? If you can close bearish on GJ on the hourly now, if you can flip on that hourly, close bearish, you should be good to, I'd say you should be good to drive down to at least, yeah, I'd say at least here 187.35. I mean, I guess even if this hourly doesn't flip per se, just the 30 closing bearish like this, you could still take that, right? You could still take that, but then your vantage point becomes this level here, right? So you might not have much of a vantage point at that stage. Yeah, but I mean, if you're flipping back here, you're most likely gonna see the support get tapped, right? The bottom of the range. Because basically what happened here is, what you're saying here is, okay, you came up, tapped this level, boom, heavy resistance, we can't push back, made it, we gotta come back, right? Come back, grab some momentum and push. Then we can push straight through that level, right? Where are we? Where's the minimum area we're looking here where you might grab some momentum to push back up? It would be this support, no? This 4-hour support. I mean, I guess you could say here as well, but yeah, it's whatever. So yeah, let's see what happens there. Let's see what happens. Damn, we were nice on the buys too, man. The price literally just took us out at BE and then pushed up. I mean, to be fair, we went BE early, but the way price was forming, if we had as soon as we took out that high again, we should have pushed. But you know, yeah, we should learn this by now. Should have with the prices is never a good it's never a good thing to base your analysis of what it should do. All right, because yeah, we know how price moves. Price does whatever the fuck it wants to do, boy. Yeah, we continue to push down here. That's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. Yeah, I mean, there's still an opportunity to take these sells, right? But my thing is, I basically could have been in there like right over here, right? I could have been in this from here, right? As opposed to where I want to get into it right now. It's like it's the same move I'm seeing. It's just a worse entry, right? It's a little, it pisses me off a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, but okay, 2 minutes left here though. All right, I'm yapping a lot. Let me figure out what I want to do. Let's see. What do we want to do here? I don't know what we're gonna do today. Alright, so this 4 hour now, we've tapped into this level proper, right? We've tapped into this level proper, but I don't think we're gonna stop here though. I think we're gonna come down for a steeper bottom wick, if it is a bottom wick anyways. That daily flipped as well. Alright, daily candle flipped on gold. Okay. Hourly 30. Yeah, man. So now here. Yeah, that might be it, y'all. That might be it. Yeah, now you're tapping back into that level, man. Yeah, nah. Yeah, you wanna close below. If we don't close below here. Yeah, if we don't close below there, it's wraps for me on gold anyways. It's wraps. It's wraps for me. Okay, hourly closure in a bit though. I mean, hourly might close below most recent here, right? We might close below most recent. Actually, most probably will close below most recent. So why don't we take the sells, man? Because we've tapped into this 4 hour level, right? The fact we've tapped this 4 hour level, we have every right to start pushing up now, right? Price has no, like, there's nothing keeping price from pushing up at this point. All right, now that we've tapped into this 4 hour level. Okay, let's see this closure. Let's see this closure in 30 seconds. Let's see this closure. I'm hoping we close above, so I don't really need to think about it too much. GJ coming down as well. GJ coming back down as well. That 4 hour flip bearish, I'm sure, at some point. Hour 30. Yeah, for me to take sales here, For me to take sells, this hourly needs to close bearish, which it did not. All right, so that could continue pushing up here, but no entries as of yet. No entries as of yet. How many pips is this? Nope, it's about 6 pips. That's nothing. Yeah, man. I think I'm gonna call it actually, let me see how. Okay, gold close, we're respecting, close right at that level. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a stream, y'all. I'm gonna call it a stream. So right now, I mean, we do still have volume here. We do still have volume, but with the way we're closing, with the levels we've tapped already and the way we're closing, I don't really have any entries right now. So at the very least, I would need to see a 15-minute candle here on GJ before I can continue, like maybe taking buys or whatever, maybe sells, I don't know. Gold, pretty much the same thing. We are coming down here, and to be honest, if you keep on driving down, you'll probably take out this low and at the very least tap this level here, and then maybe you see a rejection. But yeah, the way we just closed, around this levels, the fact we've already tapped into that 4-hour level, yeah, this does not fill me with confidence for this position. Okay, I mean the 30 just, man, is this a closure below on the 30? Ay, this might have been, damn, bro. Shit, yeah, we might have been able to take that, because that level, I think I had that level drawn up with the 15, right? Yeah, I had that level drawn up with the 15 right here. Yeah, it is what it is, though. It is what it is. You laid your bed, you lie in it. So yeah, man, that's gonna be it for me, though. We'll see how this 15-minute closes. If the 15-minute closes bearish below, if we still have some range to play with here, I'll take a sell, right? But if not, then c'est la vie. But yeah, we'll see. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, though. It's gonna be it for me today. Well, don't forget, we are live 7:30 a.m. Eastern, 12:30 p.m. West African time. If you got anything of value, I mean, we didn't get anything, we got a break-even trade today, but I think our analysis was pretty good. I think our analysis was pretty good all around for the most part. So if y'all got any value from that, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and appreciate y'all, and peace.